Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Tribit StormBox Micro portable wireless speaker. So this particular wireless speaker has the world's #1 technology buyer's guide 5-star certification. It's over here, it's written micro in size, macro in sound. We have some more information. It comes with IP67 waterproof rating. It supports Bluetooth 5.0, has a long battery life, superior sound and also stereo settings. More or less the same information on this side as well, and that's all the information actually. So let's open this box and show you what this particular portable wireless speaker looks like. So these are the components of the box. First up we have a user manual. This is quite a large user manual from Tribit. You should read this at least once. Everything that you need to know about this particular speaker, it's written over here. Next we have a thank you note from Tribit. There you go, you can see this, a thank you note. We also have a USB-C type charging port for charging this particular Bluetooth device, this particular portable speaker. There you go, this is the USB-C type charging cable. And this is the StormBox Micro from Tribit. It has this mesh design on top, makes it look really rugged. Notice the inline remote right over here, power button and a plus minus button along with the Tribit logo. The lower half has this matte black finish, but also there is this strap this is for when you want to attach it to say a bike or a bicycle and ride it around. This is designed primarily for portability. This is very small, super compact, looks very tough. You will not be breaking it anytime soon if you drop it from your hands, or while you're riding, if you drop it from say the bike and onto the road, you're not going to damage it. This is super tough. It looks very tough, has a bit of a weight in it, not very heavy, but has a bit of a weight in it, and looks pretty classy as well. There are these 4 anti-slip stops underneath, so you can just put it like this and listen to music as well, say on a desktop or something like that. There is a USB-C type port over here. This is for charging this particular speaker. Do we have any more information? Yes, we do. If you remove the strap, you will notice that this is the power button, this is the Bluetooth mode button, and there are LED indicators over here. So this is also a power button. So there are 2 power buttons here. That's nice. Okay, so this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Tribit StormBox Micro portable wireless speaker. Thank you for watching.